the noise now. I have no idea what it is. But it floods really bad. What is it? Holy shit! What just jumped out of the thing? I think they might be frogs. What is that? It has to be frogs. Well, we have a pond apparently. Not in focus at all.